Mandla Mandela, grandson to Nelson Mandela, has been kidnapped by apartheid Israel. Let us listen to this clip.
Activist and grandson of Nelson Mandela, Mandla Mandela, who was part of the Global Samud flotilla, has been kidnapped by Israeli forces who intercepted the flotilla. Mandela pre-recorded this message.
My name is Nkosi Zwelithini Mandela. I'm a citizen of the Republic of South Africa. If you are receiving this video, it means that we have been intercepted and have been abducted by the apartheid state of Israel. I call on you to request our government to exert pressure for my immediate release.
All right, guys, these are the breaking news of Mandla Mandela. Mandla Mandela, he's the grandson to Utata Nelson Mandela. So Mandla Mandela is an activist. He's a well-known activist who has always been on the side of the people of Palestine. He's one of the key figures and prominent figures in South Africa when we talk about the pro-Palestine struggles, who has always been at the forefront. So he's part of the group of other people from other countries who are traveling to Gaza to try and assist and provide humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza, to the Palestinian people. As you know, that Palestinian people are under siege from the apartheid Israel, which of course you know that Israel is being backed up by the imperialist United States of America. We know that the powerhouse behind Israel, it is the United States of America. Without the United States of America, Israel would have long been defeated, because the world now, majority of the world, is condemning. It is condemning the apartheid Israel for the genocide that Israel is committing in Palestine. But because Israel has a backing of the imperialist United States of America, then Israel has been able to persist in its genocide activities against the people of Palestine. So Mandla Mandela is part of the activists who have gone to Gaza to try and provide humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza and get to see, right, in person, the suffering that has been visited upon the people of Palestine at the hands of Israel. Unfortunately, he has been captured. They've been kidnapped. They've been kidnapped by this apartheid Israel. These are the breaking news, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tibos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izula Bansu. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in.